Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make braciole. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 pounds of flank steak, 1 cup of an Italian cheese blend, a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of pepper divided, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt divided, a half teaspoon of dried thyme, 4 ounces of prosciutto, and 2 24-ounce jars of your favorite tomato sauce. We'll start by preheating our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll melt our 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat and toast our breadcrumbs while stirring frequently, about 5 minutes. Once toasted, we'll transfer our breadcrumbs to a heat-safe bowl and stir in our 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, tablespoon of dried parsley, half teaspoon of dried thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of our salt, until well combined. Next, we'll pound out our steaks until they're about 1/4 inch thick. We'll sprinkle the inside of our steaks with a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper, and layer our prosciutto, breadcrumb mixture, and cup of Italian cheese blend on our steaks before rolling them up against the grain and securing them with cooking twine, toothpicks, or skewers. Then we'll rub the outside of our steaks with our remaining half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. After rolling and securing our steaks, we'll heat our 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a Dutch oven or oven-safe pan over medium-high heat and sear our steaks until browned, about 2 minutes per side or 8 minutes in total, before adding our tomato sauce and repositioning our steaks over it. Then we'll cover our pan and transfer it to the oven and allow our steaks to bake for 2 hours at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After braising our braciole for 2 hours, we'll remove our steaks from the pan, allow them to rest for 10 minutes, and ladle some of our tomato sauce onto the bottom of a serving dish. Then we'll cut our steaks into medallions and transfer them onto the bed of tomato sauce and ladle on additional sauce over the braciole. We can garnish this with some fresh herbs or additional Italian cheese. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.